Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with two essentials: a phone ready and a compatible car head unit. First, make sure Google Maps is updated and location services are enabled. Next, plug a verified USB cable into the car and phone. Many systems need a physical handshake to prompt Android Auto or CarPlay. Once the head unit detects the phone, accept prompts on both devices to allow apps and notifications. This immediate action gets the connection initiated and moves you to pairing. Once done, pair the devices and grant the needed permissions. Without media and location, navigation won't work properly. On Android, tap Android Auto and follow the on-screen prompts to allow notifications and access. On iPhone, use CarPlay settings. Make sure Google Maps is selected as the navigation app inside the car interface so routes launch automatically. If you're using wireless mode, let the system complete the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth handshake. This can take a few seconds, but avoids interruptions once established. Now start a route in Google Maps and confirm directions. Speak through the car speakers. Use voice commands to stay hands-free. Make sure audio output is set to the car. Adjust map zoom and night mode if needed, and pin favorite locations for quick access. If things go wrong, the fastest fix is to reboot both your phone and the head unit, try a different USB cable, and recheck app permissions. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves connection, audio, or GPS permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.